Hello, my dear children. Hope you all are doing well and staying safe. This is Primary 2 Mathematics, second midterm content, Chapter 8 Multiplication and Division. Objectives of the presentation are: understand multiplication as repeated addition, understand division as sharing or grouping. Use the multiplication tables of 2, 5 and 10 to solve multiplication and division word problems. Multiplying the repeated addition. Here you can see some apples. How many apples are there altogether? Can you count the total number of apples? Yes, there are three groups of apples. Each group has two apples. We can also find the total number of apples by repeated addition. Repeated addition means we are adding the same number a few times. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. So 3 groups of 2 equals 6. There are 6 apples altogether. Look at the next one. How many mangoes are there altogether? There are 2 groups of mangoes. Each group has 5 mangoes. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 2 groups of 5 equals 10. There are 10 mangoes altogether. Instead of carrying out repeated addition, we can use multiplication to find out the total number of items when an equal number of items are placed in different groups. When we add equal groups together, we are multiplying. We use multiplication sign when we multiply. Multiplication sign is read as times. Multiplication table of 2. There are 3 boxes with 2 balls in each. 3 groups of 2 equals 6. So 3 times 2 equals 6. There are 6 balls altogether. We'll go to the next one. There are some pineapples. There are 4 groups of pineapples. Each group has 2 pineapples. 4 groups of 2 means 8. 4 times 2 equals 8. There are 8 pineapples altogether. Now let's look at the multiplication table of 2. See what happens when we multiply other numbers by 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 3 times 2 equals 6. 4 times 2 equals 8. 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 equals 12. 7 times 2 equals 14. 8 times 2 equals 16. 9 times 2 equals 18. 10 times 2 equals 20. Multiple of 2 are always even numbers. Multiplying by 5. There are some starfish. How many starfish are there altogether? There are 2 groups of starfish. Each group has 5. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. So 2 times 5 equals 10. There are 10 starfish altogether. Look at the next one. How many leaves are there altogether? Here you can see there are 4 groups. Each group has 5 leaves. 4 groups of 5 equals 20. So 4 times 5 equals 20. There are 20 leaves altogether. Now we learn the multiplication table of 5. See what happens when we multiply other numbers by 5. 1 times 5 equals 5. 2 times 5 equals 10. 3 times 5 equals 15. 4 times 5 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 6 times 5 equals 30. 7 times 5 equals 35. 8 times 5 equals 40. 9 times 5 equals 45. 10 times 5 equals 50. Multiple of 5 always end with digit 5 or 0. Multiplying by 10. Now we are going to learn how to multiply by 10. There are some candles. So how many candles are there altogether? Yes, you can see there are 4 groups. Each group has 10 candles. Then 4 groups of 10 equals 40. There are 40 candles altogether. Now we are going to learn multiplication table of 10. We can multiply other numbers by 10. 1 times 10 equals 10. 2 times 10 equals 20. 3 times 10 equals 30. 4 times 10 equals 40. 5 times 10 equals 50. 6 times 10 equals 60. 7 times 10 equals 70. 8 times 10 equals 80. 9 times 10 equals 90. 10 times 10 equals 100. Multiple of 10 always end with the digit 0. Now we are going to do an activity. You have to fill the blanks. Now you can see there are some flowers and there are 4 groups. Each group has 2 flowers. So 4 groups of 2 equals 8. 4 groups of 2 equals 8. Look at the next one. There are stars. Then you can see there are 2 groups. Each group has 5 stars. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. 2 groups of 5 equals 10. There are 2 birds in each group. So 3 groups of 2 equals 6. 3 times 2 equals 6. There are 6 birds altogether. Division. Dividing by 2. Now we are going to learn about division. Here you can see there are some stamps. Tom and Pat share 6 stamps equally. How many stamps will each boy get? So we can divide the number of items by 2 to find out how many items are in each group. When we share objects equally among 2 groups, we are dividing by 2. We use division symbol when we divide. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Each boy will get 3 stamps. Look at the next example. Jin has 10 flowers. If she wants to put 2 flowers in each vase, how many vases will Jin need? So to get the answer, we should divide by 2. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Jin will need 5 vases. Now we are going to divide even numbers by 2. 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. 6 divided by 2 equals 3. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Like this, we can divide the even numbers by 2. Now we are going to learn divide by 5. Look at this example. Anne has 20 orchid flowers and 5 vases. If she wants to put the same number of orchid flowers in each vase, how many orchid flowers must she put in each vase? So to get the answer, we should divide by 5. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. She must put 4 flowers in each vase. Now we'll move to another example. Tim has 15 toffees. If he wants to put 5 toffees in each bag, how many bags will Tim need? So to get the answer, we should divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Toffees can be put into 3 bags of 5. Tim will need 3 bags. Now we are going to learn some division sentences. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Like this, we can divide the numbers by 5. Let's learn how to divide by 10. Look at this example. The boy has 20 balloons. He distributes them equally among 10 children. How many balloons does each child get? So, to get the answer, we should divide by 10. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. Each child will get 2 balloons. Now look at these division sentences. 10 divided by 10 equals 1. 20 divided by 10 equals 2. 30 divided by 10 equals 3. Like this, you should practice these division sentences. Now we are going to do some activities. Look at this one. Put all these 6 pens equally into 2 boxes. Draw the correct number of pens in each box. Now you can see there are 2 boxes. So 6 divided by 2 equals 3. Each box has 3 pens. Now look at this one. Put all the bananas equally into 5 baskets. Draw the correct number of bananas in each basket. Now you can see there are 15 bananas. We should divide these 15 into 5 baskets. So 15 divided by 5 equals 3. Each basket has 3 bananas. I think children you have understood this lesson. I'll give you some division and multiplication questions from the lesson. Try to do these activities. I hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you.